Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this beautiful 2021 Audi Q7 55 that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade. This one is no exception. It came in on trade for a brand new Infiniti. The Audi Q7 is their mid-size luxury crossover with third row seating. It's kind of like the Goldilocks. It's not too small like the compact Q5, and it's not like as big and cumbersome as a full-size SUV like an Escalade. So it's kind of like that perfect size, easy to park and maneuver in a city and urban environment. The mall parking lot. Yet you have a nice spacious interior for your family. Third row seating that is usable for full-size adults. I was actually doing a video not too long ago on a Tesla Model Y, which is a compact crossover with third row seating, and that was almost like a joke. That was like for little kids. There's no way I could fit back there, but these third row seats I actually could fit back there in reasonable comfort. We have a build sheet on this one to leave the guesswork out of what this does or doesn't have. Original MSRP was $70,745. This one has a Premium Plus package, which was a $3,000 premium over the regular Q7 Premium. No pun intended. Okay, so the Premium Plus package includes the convenience package. You get these upgraded 20-inch 5-spoke turbine design wheels, all-season run-flat tires, Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system, and illuminated door sills. Then we have the black optic package. That was $1,750, giving you black optic exterior kit. And then even nicer wheels, 21-inch 10-spoke star design wheels with all-season tires. Then we have the Matrix Design LED headlights for amazing nighttime visibility, $1,250 for those. Towing package, $750. Audi beam rings, so that basically beams the Audi logo when you open the doors onto the ground. Creates a cool ambient effect. It was $475 for those. Then we have the black Audi rings and model badge, $350. Audi guard protection package, cargo cover, $340. And there you have it. Of course, we can print out a copy or email you one if you want to peruse this yourself. Really nice color combination in glacier white metallic on metro gray interior. Nice, comfortable, supportive seats. Nice big panoramic roof to allow lots of natural light inside. You also have a power sunshade to dim things down too if it gets too bright, but we'll leave that open since we're in a nice shady spot. Look at all this beautiful sky we're having. Nice having a lot of ambient light coming in with that big glass roof panel. Okay, so the bottom screen is like a tablet type screen, and you can use this to operate the climate control system. I have power and heated front seats. Then we have this screen up here for the navigation system. We also have a parking camera, which is really nice. And check this out. We have a 3D view, so you have a complete 3D view around the car. Pretty cool camera work, but this is a beautiful car, so there's no reason why you should scuff up your bumpers or your wheels with these great parking aids. Then we have Audi's fantastic Virtual Cockpit, which is configurable. You can kind of pick and choose what information you want to show up on the screen. We have this really nice screen here where it projects a navigation system. It's almost bigger than the actual navigation screen. Look at that. Pretty cool stuff. All right, really nice color combination. White is such an easy exterior color to take care of. Goes nicely with a gray interior. The Q7 is a very handsomely designed vehicle. Kind of follows that design theme we see throughout the Audi product line. I was actually just doing a video on the smaller Q5. They look very similar as far as style goes. Not by mistake. Audi sticks to what works. Fantastic engine, very fuel efficient, yet plenty of power. It's actually pretty fun to drive. You'll be really impressed by the brisk acceleration you get out of the Q7 and how well it handles for a vehicle this size. It's not a sports sedan, it's a crossover SUV, but Audi did a great job at making this thing fun to drive as well. Nice spacious interior, very, very comfortable even for full-size adults. And we have a cargo area cover and a cargo area protector, but under there we have the third row seating. You can see there's a button right there so you can power operate the seats, which is really nice. As we mentioned, this one has a tow package. Of course, we have a power liftgate. Nice big cargo area. Even when you're using a third row seat, there's even a decent amount of cargo space. Cargo area cover, and of course, if you even need more space, you can fold down the second row seats. Well, there you have it. One beautiful example of a 2021 Audi Q7 Premium Plus. One awesome luxury crossover SUV. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.